In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect stamped manicure. There are some key items you need to start nail stamping: stamping plate, scraper, stamper, and stamping polish. There are a few extra items that are helpful in the stamping process, like 100% acetone, cotton, Scotch tape, and a smudge-free top coat. Now that we're ready, let's have some fun. Start with completely dried painted nails. Select an image and apply a polish. Take your scraper and swipe at a 45-degree angle. Quickly grab your stamper and pick up the image. Then line up the design to your nail and firmly press the design into your nail. An even but firm push into your nail is all you'll need. Once you finish stamping, apply a smudge-free top coat to protect your art. Thanks for watching, and we hope you love your new stamped manicure. Now you'll have all the tips and tools you need to artistically express yourself. Happy stamping!